Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one multiplied by ln(s) and 1 over s. Next, I will consider about this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s over s. dv, we have 5e to the power of 5s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of 5s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of 5s over s ds. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And now we need to simplify this one and this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.